Hey everyone, I am Arush Dikshit and you are watching Connect Tech Arush English. Please subscribe, like and share my channel so I will be motivated for creating technical videos like this. So let's get started. Today we are going to study about Python and today is our tutorial 5 and we are going to study about assignment operators in operators series of Python. So assignment operators are those who can assign a value to a variable. Suppose I create a variable and we have some operators. I have written them. First operator is equal to. Equal to means here you have to specify your name of variable and here you have to specify your value of variable. Suppose I give it the value of 10 and after that we want to print the value of a, and when we have done this thing we will see 10 like this, and this is very basic thing. So we want this code a plus 10, a is equal to a plus 10. Now we are again assigning a with plus 10. Now for this thing we can give it like this, and if we give it like this it will automatically work. See 20. And if we want to minus in a is equal to a minus 10, then a minus is equal to 10, 0. And we have multiply also, and if we try with multiply 100, and if we try with divide then it will be 1. Why it is not 1? Because we haven't saved this, and it's 1.0. and if we give it like this, let's see it will work. Yes, it will work. If we give it like this, then 10 to the power 10 is so big number. So there are many operators, you can't just give it them. In arithmetic operator you can choose the arithmetic operators and you have to put just equal to after them. They will convert into assignment operator. Suppose you choose plus, then it will convert into plus is equal to, and that is assignment operator. And minus is equal to multiply, and here we can also write a thing etc dot, because there are many operators of arithmetic. So I'm not going to explain that again and again. So that's why I have explained you that in previous videos. And that's it guys, this is our video. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys, thanks for watching the video.